is Jyoti Pancholi and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can very easily wax your full body at the convenience of your home. This Veet ready to use half body wax strips. Now this pack has 8 strips and it is cold wax, so it won't hurt your skin. It's not hot at all. Salon smooth finish at home with just 3 steps: peel, apply, pull. So let's get started with the video. The pack I'm going to use today is meant for dry skin. It has aloe vera and green tea smell, and they have 3 more versions. One is for sensitive skin and one is for normal skin. I have this dry skin one, so let me start with the demo. Now, what the product claims is that the gel formula flows around and actively grips the shortest hair on your skin. It removes the hair from the root, and because it removes the hair from the root, you get 28 hair free days of hair free skin. And again, it depends on your personal body hair growth also. Cost of these 8 wax strips is rupees 99, and I will show you what they look like. This is the how to use card in case you need to see. Now these are the 4 wax strips, and when you peel them you get 2, and that is how it is. 8 wax strips. Smells very. Now, talking about the brand, now Veet is an international brand leading the craft of depilation for women and men. They give you the best and easiest way to enjoy effective and long lasting in home hair removal in the format of hair removal cream. And now, this is the cold wax hair removal strip. Now, I will show you the demo. So these are the wax strips. You get 4 such wax strips, and you have to just peel them out. It's like you apply. These are the collars, and what you have to do is from this end you need to peel it, and you get a gel thing. Apply it on the area where the hair has to be removed. Rub it for some time, and just hold this collar and opposite direction में pull कर दीजिए, and there you have a smooth skin. So what you have to do is take this thing and peel it, and you will see this gel. Okay, now keep one aside and one, like I'm using it on my hand. So what I will do, I have kept it like this, and I will rub it for some time. And now there is this collar kind of thing, right? After like pressing it for some time, so that like I will just pull it. Wow, you see there is a difference on my hair. Now I will use the same strip here. You can use this script nahi. What do you want? You can use this strip as many times जब तक इसका stickiness नहीं जाता. Yes, there's a little, see now this thing is also clean, right? It had a little bit of hair. Now I will apply this here. This is a very convenient waxing system at the convenience of your home. There you go. इसको ना जब तक इसका स्टिकीनेस है ना आप यूज करते रह सकते हो, और ये बाल निकालता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज नॉट पेनफुल एट ऑल. और देखिए इतने से में मेरा पूरा हाथ क्लीन हो चुका है ना. एंड आई हैव द अदर स्ट्रिप ऑल्सो. So what I will do is I will start from here. Okay. And I'll, there, all hair gone, you can see, right? So this is how it removes your hair. You can see on it has pulled out all your hair, and there is no pain. Now to clean your skin after your waxing session, it gives you two packs of these wipes, which you can. These are wet wipes, and they smell very good. And after your waxing, when you feel a little uneasy on your skin, you can just use this, and it is full of moisture. It will give you the lost moisture immediately. Look at this. The skin is so shiny now. और जो भी थोड़ा बहुत इरिटेशन होता है स्किन में आफ्टर योर वैक्सिंग सेशन is all gone. So all in all, it's a wonderful product, guys. You must go for it if you're looking for waxing at home, which is not hot wax. Go for it. So that's all in today's video. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more. Thank you.